Hey class, it's Mrs. Sahanic. I'm just going to give you a video. This is what we would have done in class. We're going to talk about bucket lists and how this all came about, especially from the 2007 movie, The Bucket List, with Morgan Freeman and Jack Nicholas. So without any further ado, I'm going to play a clip for you to watch, and then we'll talk about it a little more and how we can make your bucket lists come to fruition. So you can see that that is a clip from the movie The Bucket List. So I thought I'd share with what was on their bucket list. And here's what was on it. Number 1, witness something truly majestic. Number 2, help a complete stranger for a common good. Number 3, laugh till I cry. Number 4, drive a Shelby Mustang. Number 5, kiss the most beautiful girl in the world. Number 6, get a tattoo. Number 7, skydiving. Number 8, visit Stonehenge. Number 9, spend a week at the Louvre. Number 10, see Rome. Number 11, dinner at La Cherie d'Or. Number 12, see the pyramids. 13, Masada, previously hunt the big cat. Number 14, visit Taj Mahal, India. 15, Hong Kong. 16, Victoria Falls. 17, Serengeti. 18, ride the Great Wall of China. So, while most, if not all of you are many, many years away from the end of your life, it's never too early to start thinking about things you want to accomplish before you die. This gives you an opportunity while you are young to think about things that you really want to achieve in life, as well as things that you simply just want to do. I'm going to begin working on my bucket list so I can share with you by the end of the year. So for now, enjoy, start thinking about those things you want to put on it, because we're going to soon get to work. Thank you. See you guys. Miss you.